Welcome back to our channel. In this video we uncover the most common and detrimental mistake people make when following the keto diet. The keto diet has gained popularity in recent years as a way to lose weight and improve health. But did you know there's a common mistake that could be sabotaging your efforts and even harming your health? Many people make the mistake of only focusing on the macronutrient aspect of the keto diet, forgetting about the importance of micronutrients. It's not just about eating a high-fat, low-carb diet, it's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. By solely focusing on fats and cutting out many fruits and vegetables, you may be missing out on essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These are crucial for supporting your immune system, improving digestion, and preventing diseases. Another mistake is avoiding all carbs, including healthy sources like whole grains and legumes. These foods provide important fiber and nutrients that promote gut health and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Cutting them out completely can lead to constipation and nutrient deficiencies. What's more, many people on the keto diet rely heavily on processed and unhealthy fats, like bacon and butter. While fats are an important part of the diet, it's crucial to choose healthy sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. To avoid the keto mistake, make sure to include plenty of nutrient-dense foods, such as leafy greens, berries, and non-starchy vegetables. These will provide you with the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs to thrive. Remember, the keto diet can be effective for weight loss and improving certain health conditions, but it's important to do it right. Don't fall into the trap of neglecting crucial nutrients and relying on unhealthy fats. Now that you know the common mistakes to avoid, you can successfully follow the keto diet while prioritizing your overall health. Remember, balance and variety are key to a sustainable and healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable information on health and nutrition.